Are you feeling stressed, tired, or out of sync with your busy modern life? What if ancient Ayurvedic wisdom could help you find balance and vitality? Sound of a gentle water fountain in the background. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into Ayurvedic wellness tips designed specifically for modern lifestyles. Whether you're juggling work, family, or just trying to stay healthy, these timeless practices can help you live better. Split-screen visuals of a bustling city on one side and a serene Ayurvedic spa on the other. Start your day with a simple morning routine to align your body and mind. Try oil pulling, tongue scraping, and drinking warm water with lemon or honey to detox and energize. A plate beautifully arranged with seasonal fruits and vegetables. Eat according to your body type, Vata, Pitta, or Kapha. Focus on fresh, seasonal, and minimally processed foods to nourish your body. A cozy living room where someone is practicing yoga or light stretching. Incorporate yoga or gentle exercise daily to release tension and improve flexibility. Even 10 minutes can make a difference. Scene of someone meditating by a window with sunlight streaming through and greenery outside. Calm your mind with meditation or breathing exercises. Try the alternate nostril breathing technique to relieve stress instantly. Close-up of turmeric, ashwagandha, and tulsi tea ingredients. Boost your immunity and energy with Ayurvedic herbs. Add turmeric to your meals or sip on ashwagandha tea to reduce anxiety. The host smiles, holding a cup of herbal tea with a natural backdrop. Remember, Ayurveda is about small, consistent changes. Which of these tips will you try first? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and lifestyle tips. See you in the next video. Music fades out.